for Dronetastic 2, we have to plaza.
Subscribe. I'm watching you, watching me, watching you on POWAMOTO. Subscribe today. It's Dronetastic 2 on POWAMOTO. Dronetastic 2 on POWAMOTO.
We're back. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it.
POWAMOTO. He's a legend. He's a dream. He's the man.
There once was a young rider who rode out into the Everglades seeking enlightenment. Upon his return, the universe spoke to him, inspiring him and energizing him, naming him Mr. Sky Champion, and his bike, Sedici Gloves.
I hear that. When something doesn't work, but you know, now that this is all low, now I'm able to go like this and say, haters.
The bad one is this one. On the side view, it's this one and that one. And basically what you see here is that this bone kind of impacted this bone and it's split apart.
Only had 2 months off after the crash. 2 months. See the video right up here. And now he's back on Shiva. Shiva rides. The gang is out. And he's back on the SM. Mr. Stunts is back. He knows how to jump those curbs. In this video, he knows how to put the ladies in the back of the bike. He's going to teach you guys tips and tricks on how to meet ladies and women. He likes that part on POWAMOTO. Motivation, giving back to our community, connecting with you guys, teaching you kiddos how to ride, take care of your bikes.
I could care less if they don't sit with me. I ain't sitting with no misery. God prepared a table where it's victory. I could care less about what they think of me. It was something that got seen in me. Make sure that you treat people with decency. I could care less if they don't clap for me. Hey, you can keep your flattery. I ain't got no time to hear no blasphemy. I could care less if they come after me. I said who cares if they come after me. Can't you see God's army in the back of me? My king is supreme, Lord. There ain't nothing on this earth that I desire more than you. It's like everywhere I search, couldn't find it in the drugs, couldn't find it in the money, couldn't find it in the pleasure. I was empty in my stomach, I got belly full of rivers, now the rivers in my belly.
Hey, Sky Champion on POWAMOTO.
Believe, believe me.
My name is Sky.
Believe in him. Believe in him. Hey, let's bring Brother Brian to get the word out. Hey, I'ma try to bring your whole neighborhood to the church house. I said the junkies, the gangbangers and flunkies, a hospital for the broken. If they're true, keep them coming. Hey, you don't need a doctor. Hey, Jesus is the doctor. Hey, thank you, Heavenly Father, cause it's free. Nothing is cost you. See, everything you see here, everything is free here. I guarantee that you'll be a new man before you leave here. They don't sit with me. I ain't sitting with no misery. God prepared a table where it's victory. I could care less about what they think of me. It was something that got seen in me. Make sure that you treat people with decency. I could care less if they don't clap for me. Hey, you can keep your flattery. I ain't got no time to hear no blasphemy. I could care less if they come after me. I said who cares if they come after me. Can't you see God's army in the back of me? My king is supreme. You better shout it with your chest. Forever kingdom minded. Remember it's KMF. Yes, they check your temperature. You either hot or cold. If you acting like you lukewarm, God gon' kick you out the door. You gotta go, yo. I said quit acting so religious. Your knowledge don't impress me. Who cares if you read the scripture? What you know about loving your neighbor, hugging your hater, showing mercy to the same one that cursed me and caused betrayal. And you so stingy, your pensions for these pennies.
You want to be offended? You can use some secrets or something like that when you're down. All right. Well, I'm Sky Champion on POWAMOTO. Subscribe today. Where are we right now?
You're right down on the Atlantic Highway.
Where are we at?
You're in Pompano.
Tell the viewers. What state?
Pompano Beach.
Tell them what country.
Fort Lauderdale.
That's the country?
Yes, it is.
Tell them what country.
Fort Lauderdale.
That's the country?
Yes, it is.
And if you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos. Love you guys. We out.